Greetings foodies! Today we are bringing you a tantalizing fusion of flavors within a South African twist. Get ready to elevate your taste buds as we fry up some mouth-watering Boerewors with a delightful addition of sweet tomatoes. Let's dive into the ingredients. We've got the star of the show, the authentic South African Boerewors. Instead of oil, we're using water to intensify the steamy goodness. This ensures our Boerewors remains moist and succulent while absorbing all the flavors. All the water is gone now. The sizzling oil is all from the sausage. The unique method ensures that our sausages are cooked to perfection without drying out. But we can't forget about the spice. Here we've got a blend of traditional South African spices, adding that perfect kick to our Boerewors. Feel free to customize it according to your taste preferences, the more the merrier. As the sausage sizzles away, the aroma of those spices infuses into every bite. Trust me, your kitchen is about to smell like a South African barbecue paradise. If there is too much oil or excessive oil, you can remove some of that oil, but if you like too much oil, you can leave it. Now, here is where the magic happens. We are tossing in those sweet tomatoes right along our Boerewors. The combination of the savory sausages and the sweetness of the tomatoes is going to create a symphony of flavors that will dance on your palate. It is very important to gently toss the tomatoes underneath your Boerewors and make sure that everything is well incorporated and it's sitting all nicely together. Just look at that sizzle. The aroma filling the air is a testament to the incredible combination we have going on here. It's like a South African barbecue with a sweet twist. And voila! Our South African sausage and sweet tomatoes are ready to be savored. The sausages are perfectly cooked and the tomatoes have caramelized into a burst of sweetness that complements the savory goodness. Time for the best part, the taste. Just look at that golden brown goodness. Thank you for joining me in this flavor-packed adventure. If you are excited about this unique twist as I am, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for a more culinary delight. Let me know in the comment below if you are trying this recipe or if you have your own twist on South African classics. Until next time, happy cooking.